This movie is a classic of Satyajit Ray. Sonar Killa, picturized in the famous Jaisalmer fort. This movie popularized the name of this fort as Sonar Killa, which was originally known as Trikutgarh.
সোনার কেল্লা নয়, এটা অন্য কেল্লা, এটা সোনার কেল্লা না।
Like a bird on a tree.
Standing in the middle of the golden sand of the Thar Desert, the Jaisalmer Fort is one of the most magnificent and one of the largest forts in India.
It's clear to see.
This fort has also been declared UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 2013.
Seems small.
The fort is one of the most visited sites in Rajasthan.
Together,
Indeed, it has a prominent place among the Indian heritages.
you and me, we meant to be.
The Jaisalmer Fort is 865 years old and it was built in 1156 AD by Bhati Rajput ruler Raval Jaisal, who founded the city and also got this fort built during his reign. The city surrounds the fort and the fort stands with pride on the Trikuta hill of Jaisalmer. The fort is 1500 feet long and 750 feet wide, and it is 250 feet above the surrounding countryside. The sheer golden cliff from a distance declares itself as one of the engineering marvels of the 12th century.
From a distance,
The fort, built on a triangular mountain, Trikutgarh, is also locally known as the Golden Fort or Sonar Killa. This is because of the yellow sandstones used for the construction of this magnificent monument. The most astonishing part of this construction is without using any binding elements such as cement, lime or water. Just applying the interlocking system, the architects completed this huge wonder. The fort clearly speaks of a fine fusion of Islamic and Rajput culture.
forever free.
This fort of Jaisalmer stood at the crossroads of important trade routes, including the ancient Silk Road.
Meant to
Survived several attacks by the Muslim rulers like Alauddin Khilji and Mughal Emperor Humayun, and still it makes Rajasthan and India proud of its culture and heritage. We have entered the fort and we have hired a guide. There are 4 gateways to enter the fort. The outermost is the latest addition to the fort. Once you pass the gates, you reach the Tashera Chowk. It is in the shape of a square and forms the center of the fort.
I got time.
Jaisalmer Fort has narrow winding pathways which interlock several parts of the fort. The complex of Jaisalmer Fort is so expansive that almost 1/4 of the town's population is located in this fort itself.
We can
Some havelis are hundreds of years old. In Jaisalmer, there are many elaborate havelis carved from yellow sandstone. Some of these have many floors and countless
meant
rooms
to be.
with decorated windows, archways, doors, and balconies.
कोई टाइम में जैसलमेर खाली फोर्ट के अंदर था। फोर्ट में किसी भी तरह का फेस्टिवल या फिर बर्थडे होता था तो एक आदमी वहाँ से ड्रम बजा कर वहाँ से अनाउंस करता था। तो अब एक पूरा कलेक्ट हो जाती है, उसको बोला था अनाउंसमेंट विंडो। ऊपर में आप देखिए फ्लैग बना हुआ है, फ्लैग लगा हुआ है। हमारे यहाँ पर जैसलमेर के अंदर में आज भी रॉयल फैमिली का जो है 43rd जनरेशन चल रहा है। 43rd अभी के प्रेसिडेंट के राजा रहते हैं दिल्ली में, उनका नाम है ब्रिजराज सिंह भाटी। आपने हिंदी मूवी का नाम सुना सरफरोश? उसका शूटिंग जो राजा के जैसलमेर में हुआ था।
The interesting places in the fort include Jain temples and Lakshminath temples. The fort also has museums, shops, restaurants, and residential accommodations unlike other forts in the country.
इस तरह से फोर्ट के अंदर 40 होटल्स हैं, जिसमें से एक होटल है, होटल पैराडाइज पैलेस ऑन फ्लोर।
You will be surprised to know that Jaisalmer Fort houses 3,000 residents, making it India's last living fort.
Meant to be.
The sunlight helps in glorifying its beauty by reflecting on the golden walls. Not only the fort, but the houses of the entire city are made of the yellow sandstones, giving the characteristic title of Jaisalmer as Golden City. Watching a sunset from here is an experience of a lifetime. The prominent attraction inside the fort is the palace of the Maharaval. The marble throne of the Maharaval lying there is an unbelievable sight for the visitors.
बिल्डिंग को बोलते हैं BAA बारी हवेली। बा मीन्स राजस्थानी भाषा में ग्रैंड फादर के जो ग्रैंड फादर होते हैं उनको बोलते हैं बा। री मीन्स की, हवेली मीन्स हाउस, बिग हाउस। ये 450 years old हवेली है ये।
In my next episode, I will tell you more about this. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
This is Shriti Chotara and I will see you in my next episode. Bye.